Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is a USB wall charger that also has the AC outlet as well. And this is from this brand right here. And the cool thing about this product here, if you can see in the bottom right here, they mention how it has a compact design, and it also has like a phone holder design on top as well. So I'll actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks like inside. Let's take it out. So first thing we see inside, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use it. And then right here we have actual product. Eventually we have all the different outlets on here, and then we have the USB outlets right here. And the middle part right here, they do have a screw option, so if you guys want to use that to actually mount it into your outlet, you definitely can as well. If you can see on the top part right here, this is basically the phone holder that I actually mentioned. So you can basically put your phone on here to actually charge it at the same time if you guys want to. But when we turn it around to the back side, this is basically what the back part looks like. So here's the screw option, and here's the plastic option that you guys want to plug into the wall outlet as well. And then right here is the grounded option. So when you take this out, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like in the back right here. So for the screw option right here, you don't need to use that, but if you guys want to, you definitely can to give you guys a much more secure fit. And we see in the front part here, they do have the logo right here, and it also has a little indicator light to show you guys whether or not the actual product is protected or not. And basically what this means is whether or not the actual product is grounded, whether or not it has all the protection on here, and etc. And for each one of these USB outputs right here, the maximum is 2.48 charge speed. So you definitely get a fast charging speed when you guys use this outlet right here. So if you guys really think about it, you can charge up to 8 devices at the same time on here. It's really convenient how it has a little phone holder on top as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go plug this in and set it up to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And I'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw a quick test of the product, definitely see that it actually does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use as well. So I actually tested another product from the same exact brand that's very different. The way how to design that one has more of like a curved design and also have a night light on there. If you guys don't remember what I'm talking about, let me actually show you guys what I mean. Alright, so once you plug it into the wall switch, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. It blends so well in the wall. And like I mentioned, for this product, it has a night light. So if you just press the top button right here, it turns on the light. So that is light number 1, light number 2, and light number 3. And it turns off. And when you guys turn on the light, it basically is a night light, so it has a sensor in the bottom. You can see it turns off by itself because right now it's kind of bright out. So that's why the light turns off by itself. But basically when the room gets darker at like nighttime, it'll turn off by itself. So I'm actually turn off the light to show you guys what I mean. But basically when the light is on or when it's super bright, it'll turn off. So if I turn back on the light, you guys can see that turns off. But when we turn off the light, it turns back on. So you can definitely see the night light option definitely does work. And really cool how to give you guys a different light option on here. So this is the brightness level 1, brightness level 2, and brightness level 3. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take off this part right here first. And basically want to insert this inside right here. So just like that. If you guys notice in the bottom part right here, they do have a green light that pops on. So that basically means the product is protected. Let me actually bring the camera a little bit closer and see what it actually looks like. Alright, so this is basically the green indicator light that I was referring to. So basically it has the protection on here now, since it actually lights up right here. So let's plug in some of these outlets right here and test it out. Alright, so for the first cable I'm plugging right here is for my freezer. Alright, so that works. You guys can hear the freezer on this side right here. Now let's plug in the other cable here as well. So I got my USB cable right here. And we're gonna plug it onto my iPhone. So we got my iPhone right here. Alright, so that definitely does work. And like I mentioned, on top they have this option right here, where you can put your phone like that right there. And obviously if you guys want to use all these other outlets on here, you definitely can as well. Let me plug a few more right here to show you guys what actually works. Alright, so next thing that we got right here is my portable power bank. So I plug in right here. So you can see right there, that is how you guys know the product definitely does work as well. So I'm actually plugging one more thing onto the USB option right here and test it out as well. Alright, so I got my USB to USB-C cable right here. And I basically want to plug this into my power bank that we have right here. If you can see right there, you can definitely see the product definitely does work. So you definitely use all these outlets at the same time. Both the USB outputs and also the AC output as well, all at the same time if you guys want to. I don't have that many cable with me right now, so I can't show you guys that test. But one day if you guys notice the way how to design these output right here for the AC outlets, it's very cramped up together. So if you guys have very bulky cables, then you probably cannot use all 6 of them at the same time. But if you guys have 6 of the same cable that is very small and it fits all these at the same time, then you should be fine. But for this case right now, if you can see how my power bank right here, it actually takes up 2 space. so I can't really use the one next to it. But that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of how to use it and what it actually looks like. Alright, so now that you guys saw that quick test of the actual product, you can see what I mean of the comparison of that one versus this one right here. Both of them work really well. It's just the other one that I just showed you guys. That one actually has a light option, whereas this one right here does not have the option, but it has like a phone holder option on here, which is super convenient as well. So depending on what you guys are trying to look for or what you guys need, that is how you guys determine which one is best for you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to get like a wall charger that has these extra outlets on here, so you can definitely charge more than one device at the same time or more than two at the same time. Because when you guys use like your wall outlet, there's usually only two of them on there. And I'm assuming some of you guys probably need more than two, so it's pretty nice to actually get one of these right here or the other one I show you guys as well. So that way you can actually power up and charge more than one device at the same time. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.